How to see TikTok private account videos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to see TikTok private account videos. So TikTok is a secure platform where users cannot see private content unless and until they follow it. So the only way to see the videos that's on a private account is by following them or requesting them. So what you can do is basically log into your TikTok account and tap on the search box and type in the name of the person or the user from which you wish to go ahead and see or view the private content. And go ahead and press on it, and here go ahead and tap the follow button just like this, and then he or she is gonna be accepting your request, and when he or she accepts your request, you'll be able to access all of the content that's on the private account. And likewise, if you don't want to do it from your main account, then you could also go ahead and create a dummy account. You could also go ahead and create a secondary account or a fake account, and then you could go ahead and follow them. And if he or she accepts, then you'll be able to see their content. So that's how you can go ahead and see TikTok private account videos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.